Okay, digital photographs changed everything, but lots of us still have a drawer full of old photos to sort through. Believe me, I had a whole cabinet full and then some. So where are we supposed to find the time for that? It's easy to stick it on the back burner because we feel like it's going to take forever to get anything accomplished. But look, those old photos, they're memories, and you treasure them for a reason. Why not give your lifetime of memories the showcase they deserve? I know why. You're thinking, I already want to do that. I really do, but honestly, I just don't have time. My name's Sara. Before I became a professional organiser, I was an eager student, excited traveller, and dedicated businesswoman. I know what it's like to try and juggle a successful career or growing business with your personal life. Who's got the time for those old photos? In the end, it took a major tragedy to help me realise. Investing time in sorting and preserving, decluttering the photos I collected over the years was more important to me than I ever knew. And it was a wonderful experience to see them all again. I developed a system to tackle the photos step by step, so I could stop and start whenever I wanted without feeling like I had to sacrifice something else to get it done. And the results? Well, take a look. Want to declutter your photos? With the right strategy, it can be fun, fast, and much easier than it seems. I share mine in the Organising School's latest programme, aptly titled Sort Your Photos. See below for more information on how to purchase the programme. Don't delay, start today. You and yours will treasure the results for a lifetime.